Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can add captions or subtitles on your YouTube video. So this is my YouTube channel. So the first step is write your transcript in a Word file. So this is my transcript. Just type whatever you have spoken in the video. Then open your channel and go to the YouTube studio. And from here, on the left side, left navigation bar, click on this subtitles. And then select the video you would like to add the subtitles or captions. I would like to add on this first video. So I'm going to click on that. And then basically on this screen, you will see a default captions or subtitles, which YouTube automatically generate, which is mostly not good, okay? And it is going to ask you to add language. So you can add language, United States English, United Kingdom English, or Canadian English, whatever you want. So I have deleted the default transcript by the YouTube. So that is no more here. So you have to go here and delete the auto-generated captions. So this is the captions which I would like to add. So once you select the language, once you add the language, then it will show you like this. Okay. Next step is to click on this add. And then here it is showing us the video. And then we have three options: upload a file, transcribed and auto sync, and create new subtitles or CC. CC means closed captions. The best option is this one, the center one, transcribed and auto sync. So click on that. And then just copy this text from your Word file, Control A, Control C, and then paste in this box, Control V. Okay. And then just click on this set timings. So YouTube is automatically sync your transcript with the video. It is very, very useful tool. Okay. So now it will just take some time to add the titles. You can refresh. So it is saying, okay, subtitle timings are being set. Check back soon. Okay. So it will take some time. Close this. And it is good practice that here basically it is not giving us any interface. It is not telling us that there is another step as well. Okay. So by the way, YouTube's workflow or navigation is not very easy to use and not intuitive. Sometimes it is confusing. So I'm just going back to this page where I have the subtitles. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, it is saying generating timings. This can take a while, so please check back later. Now you can wait, or you can click on this three dots icon and then click on the edit on Classic Studio. Okay. Now here it is showing us the video and then the transcripts based on the time. So YouTube automatically set the transcript based on the timing. Just click on this publish button. Okay. Now we got the message that subtitles published, and then English United States, there is green color here. So if you see two transcripts here, then just delete the auto-generated one. Okay. Now the process is done. Go back to the YouTube video and refresh. Now basically here you can see these are the transcripts. So I can see the transcripts and they are coming from my Word file which I have copied and pasted in the YouTube. Very easy to use feature and very accurate. And as you know that you can turn on and off your transcripts from this CC button. So you can click on that. So now they are subtitles are off, and then you can turn on and off from here. Okay. And also you can change some settings. So on the second button, the setting button, you can click, and then from here you can let's say click on this subtitle and then click on these options. From here you can change the options. You can change the font size if it is too big or too small. You can change font color, background color, so you have full control in your hand. And if you here you see there are two subtitles, that would be because you have auto-generated subtitles by YouTube, and then you have your own subtitles. So you need to delete the auto-generated subtitles from this page. Okay, from here you can delete the auto-generated subtitles by the YouTube. So that is it. It is very easy to use. I hope it is helpful.